The double-edged sword. Laws and their role in society. Laws are the bedrock upon which any functioning society is built. They are the codified rules that govern human behavior, shaping our interactions and defining the boundaries of acceptable conduct. Laws serve several primary functions: establishing order, ensuring justice, and maintaining control. However, laws are a double-edged sword. While they are capable of providing protection and fostering progress, they also possess the potential to be wielded as instruments of oppression. Understanding this duality is crucial for any informed citizen or legal professional. One of the fundamental purposes of law is to safeguard individuals and communities. Laws protect us from criminal acts, such as theft, assault, and murder, by establishing consequences for those who violate the established norms. These protections are essential for creating a safe and secure environment. The establishment of property rights is another critical protective function of law. By defining and enforcing ownership, laws create economic stability and prosperity. Individuals are more likely to invest and build wealth when they are confident that their property will be protected. Laws also play a vital role in protecting vulnerable populations, such as children and disabled individuals. They set standards for care and prevent exploitation, ensuring that those who are unable to fully protect themselves are afforded the necessary safeguards. This is a cornerstone of a just and compassionate society. Furthermore, the law provides a framework for resolving disputes peacefully. Courts and other mechanisms of conflict resolution allow individuals to address grievances without resorting to violence. This is essential for maintaining social harmony and preventing chaos. In essence, laws create a safe and predictable environment. This enables individuals to thrive without fear of violence or injustice, fostering innovation, creativity, and overall well-being. A society governed by just laws is a society where people can reach their full potential. Despite their protective functions, legal frameworks can also be used to exert control and suppress dissent. Vague laws, for example, allow for selective enforcement and manipulation, targeting specific individuals or groups based on arbitrary criteria. This can have a chilling effect on freedom of expression. Throughout history, laws have been used to silence political opponents. By criminalizing certain forms of speech or assembly, governments can stifle dissent and maintain their grip on power. This is a common tactic employed by authoritarian regimes. Laws can also be used to justify discriminatory practices. Historical examples, such as the laws legitimizing slavery and segregation, demonstrate the devastating consequences of using the legal system to perpetuate inequality. These examples serve as stark reminders of the potential for abuse. In authoritarian regimes, laws are often used to maintain the power of the ruling elite. These laws prioritize the interests of the elite over the rights of the general populace, creating a system of entrenched privilege and inequality. This undermines the very principles of justice and fairness. Even in democratic societies, the law can be misused. Excessive surveillance, for example, can infringe on privacy rights and create a climate of fear. Similarly, law enforcement can disproportionately target specific communities, leading to systemic discrimination and injustice. Given the potential for both protection and oppression, it is essential to prioritize justice and fairness in the application of laws. This requires a commitment to equal application of the law to all citizens, regardless of their background or status. No one should be above or below the law. Transparency and accountability are also crucial for preventing abuse. When legal processes are open and accessible, it is more difficult for those in power to manipulate the system for their own benefit. This fosters trust and confidence in the rule of law. Independent judiciaries, free from political interference, are essential for ensuring impartial interpretation and enforcement of laws. Judges must be able to make decisions based on the law and the evidence, without fear of reprisal or political pressure. This is a cornerstone of a fair and just legal system. A robust civil society also plays a vital role in safeguarding against oppression. Organizations and individuals who are willing to challenge unjust laws and advocate for reform are essential for holding those in power accountable. This requires courage, vigilance, and a commitment to justice. Laws are a powerful tool, capable of being used for both good and ill. While they are essential for maintaining order and protecting citizens, their potential for abuse necessitates constant vigilance. We must remain committed to upholding justice, fairness, and human rights in all aspects of the legal system. The ongoing struggle to balance order and freedom is a defining characteristic of any society governed by law. It requires a constant dialogue, a willingness to challenge the status quo, and a commitment to ensuring that the law serves the interests of all, not just a select few. This is the essence of a just and equitable society,